First, open the document. Now select the headings. After that, click here. Following that, click on Heading 1 to assign the heading Introduction as Heading 1. Similarly, select the paragraph. Click here again and set it as normal text. Follow the same steps for all the pages in the document. Assign subheadings as Heading 2, and then for further classification, assign the subheadings as Heading 3. Make sure you assign the body under each heading type as normal text. Once done, click on Insert. Following that, scroll down and click on the Table of Contents. Finally, choose the type and click on it. Your table of contents is ready. You can move it to a new page as you keep updating the content in the document. It will automatically change its content.